This is the first video in a series of tutorials about NPC Engine, deep learning and natural language processing toolkit aimed at designing game NPCs using natural language. In this video, I will explain how to download and install NPC Engine, as well as show our basic demo scene and what this tool can do so far. I have created a clean brand new project. Let's import NPC Engine integration from the Unity Asset Store using Package Manager. After the integration is imported to your scene, welcome screen will appear in your editor. If you accidentally closed it, you can open it by clicking Tools, NPC Engine, Show Welcome Screen. Here you can find links to our documentation, our GitHub repository, and Discord server. Before we start, we need to download the NPC Engine server. You can click the button below and it will be automatically downloaded for you. The newest release will be saved in Streaming Assets NPC Engine folder. If you prefer to do it manually, you can download the latest release from our GitHub repository. You can find the link in the description. The next step will be downloading models you will use for your project. In this tutorial we will use demo ones, however in a later video I will explain how you can import other models using NPC Engine Import Wizard. To download demo models you should click this button. Demo models will be saved in a Streaming Assets Models folder. Now we are ready to try our demo scenes. You can find them in NPC Engine Demo folder. We have two scenes, Basic and Advanced. Let's look at the basic demo. Open the scene and click Play. In the beginning, all the buttons will be disabled until a related service is running. Let's start with the chatbot first. This service will generate responses to anything you write based on the contents of the scene. Here you can see the context of the dialogue which will be fed to the model. By default, you can speak with the dog in the tavern. Let's not change anything and try it out. You can feed any data to the model. Let's change the context and try again. As you can see, the chatbot reacted to any input I gave it. This did not require a single line of code or a dialog tree. Let's move further and talk about semantic similarity. Basically what the service does is checks both inputs and return to you how semantically similar they are. Let's try it out. You can use this tool to trigger actions based on user input. For example, if a player spoke about a certain thing, you want to start a quest, or attack a player, or make NPC do something else. We will dig deeper into how implement this in later videos. Let's talk about the last tool, text-to-speech. This model can generate a speech from text you provide. It supports multiple voices for different genders and ages. Let's try it out.
Hello, traveler.
Hello, traveler. I am scared of the wolf. Can you help me?
I am scared of the wolf. Can you help me?
Thank you. Thank you.
That's it for this video. In the next one, we will talk about advanced demo, where all the services we talked about are combined together in one scene. If you have any questions or issues so far, please let us know in our Discord. You can find the link to the server in the description of the video.